The need to remove unauthorized software can arise out of nowhere when a widely used app gets flagged for removal by compliance. Furthermore, staying within compliance after the initial removal can become a strenuous task. With Goverlan's Process Automations module, admins can create automations that will remove unauthorized software and at the same time stay in compliance by scheduling the automation. Let's take a look at how to do that in Goverlan. After giving your process automation a name, we will need to select a group of machines to query. Using a scope, we'll be choosing an Active Directory OU, including its subcontainers. Click on Next, Add New, and the Action module will appear. Above, select Add Remove, Execute, Software Products, Uninstall Instance. This specific action silently calls to the same uninstall string the local programs tool uses. This action also depends on having a condition at the bottom, which specifies the unauthorized software that will be uninstalled. In this example, we are going to add Java as the software to be removed via Software Products, Product Name, Contains, Java. From here, we have the choice to add additional action modules like this that will uninstall each software one at a time in order. In this case, we are going to leave this one software removal, click Next, set up our final actions, including the scheduling of the unauthorized software removal.